Hello guys, Jomar here. So I'm recording this on December 5 because I'm heading towards the airport later this afternoon. And yeah, so this is my welcome speech that I was hoping I will be doing on December 6th, which is tomorrow. But yeah, so I'd like to welcome all of you to the PAMA Christmas Party 2025. And we are excited that all of you are there, and based on the estimates, we have more than 100 guests there, including the members. And we are excited as well that we have been joined by the Itri City Councilors, Councilor Augustine Pai, Councilor Marnie Doyle, Councilor Andrew Antonioli, the Mayor, Teresa Harding, unfortunately, is not able to make it because she's unwell. So I wish her speedy recovery ahead. And the Honorary Consul, Cheryl Gabutero. Yes, and we're glad that you're able to make it if you're there. But yeah, so the first Christmas party that PAMA did when we first got established in 2021 was very good. It was our first event, and it was very awesome in terms of what we had, the experience we had there. And just to reiterate again, all our events here in PAMA since 2021, the objective is really to practice and to live the motto, the credo of PAMA. And just to read it for the benefit of everybody, is the vision. The vision of PAMA is we aspire to be a community to enrich multicultural friendships and integration in the community's economic, civic, educational, and cultural life. And we do this through two mission pillars: to create festivities, events that is the reason why different cultures, not only Filipinos, work together to create awesome memories. You've seen that in all our events like the retro dance nights, the community bus tours, the annual PAMA Spring Fest, which not only gathers Filipinos but also non-Filipinos for an amazing time. And we have a second mission as well, mission pillar, which is to help marginalized sectors in our society. Wherever they need help, where we can, we will help them. And this year, as I think we have been doing this for the past few years, that we're able to help different parts of our community when they need help. In fact, this year, based on the report of our treasurer, is that we donated close to $3,000 to fund different causes and to donate and different causes that are meant to benefit different parts of the community that are having difficulties and need help. So we are able to do that through the help of our supporters and sponsors. And also to do that, we need to always bear in mind that as PAMA, our DNA is to create cross-cultural friendships, understanding, and we do this in all of our events. You know, Ipswich is a very special place. It has 22,000 residents that speak another language other than English at their homes. And also, there's 165 countries of origin here in Ipswich, and we have 152 different languages. So Ipswich and also Australia is really a multicultural society. So we're here to not only enjoy the fruits of living in Australia, but to also integrate with other nationalities and cultures, and to really form meaningful relationships with them. That's why our events are like that, not only enjoyed by Filipinos, but also by non-Filipinos. Yeah, so I'd like to thank the organizers of this Christmas party and the MC, Alfredo Agpalo, and the amazing management committee of PAMA, Warren, Araceli, Odette, Dennis, and Cha. So you've done a great great work this year. And all the members, the nearly 25 members of PAMA, thank you for joining us to join us in this journey to create lots of meaningful friendships across cultures. And to all the guests out there. So I welcome all of you in the PAMA Christmas Party 2025 and hope you all enjoy it. And I know Alfredo will do a great time in creating awesome memories along with the committee members this afternoon, which is December 6th, tomorrow. So, maligayang Pasko, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to everyone, and we'll see you there in 2026. Bye!